that your plants
All the
need.
things that sound terribly gross in real life, but your plants like them. Somebody's got to like them.
They love it.
All right. One of my absolute favorite things that you bring us every single year is these really fun things to plant in a garden.
These are so
to get your
fun.
kids and your grandkids to enjoy. These are snacking peppers.
Yes.
They're a 3-piece set that you're going to get. 3 easy pays at $11 on this. Well, let's
talk about this. Okay, first and foremost, this is a 3-piece set that produces yellow, orange, and red peppers. It's not like you get a red pepper plant and orange, but each plant produces all 3 colors.
Oh, wow.
And you can eat them at any stage. Second, these are super sweet. These are brand new in the gardening world. They're called the Sweet Caroline Ponky Peppers. That's what they look like. You could pick those peppers at any stage. You don't have to wait till they get to the red stage, for example. So what's fun about these is that you get tons of peppers. You're going to start eating these in 40 days, which is about half the time of a typical pepper plant, and you are going to not stop eating until the first frost. You're going to have all summer long and all fall full of peppers. Now look at these plants. These are all real.
It as a hanging plant.
Look at how many peppers. These are just getting started, but look at how many are on there.
Really? Do they start as flowers?
They start as flowers.
Okay.
Now what's fun about these is they're very thin skinned, and the seeds are way up high in the pepper, just like at the very top. So you're going to get a lot of meat here. You know, I personally don't care about seeds. Some people do, but they're totally sweet. It's almost like imagining eating candy right off of a plant. So,
well, I have to tell you, there's not many of these to go around. We're down to the final 1,000 of these.
That's right.
So definitely put it in the cart, check out. So I need sun. What can I plant them in? Help me.
Yep. So this is what you're getting home. 3 healthy plants. Grown from seed. When you get these home, we love full sun.
Full sun.
Full sun. You're going to get the most flowers, the most fruit. Now, they are moderate amount of water. Peppers don't like to be overwatered. I do highly recommend feeding them. You know, we do have our plant fertilizer here that you need. If you want your plants to feed you, you got to feed them. But here's some ideas for you. You can put them in containers, like container gardening. I love that. Protects them from the animals. You know, you can put them close to your front door or your back door. But I also love hanging baskets. It's beautiful, but also another layer of protection from raccoons or squirrels getting to your plants and eating your things. I mean, that's something that I think growing really tasty food in the garden, if you have animals around, it's a little confusing of a knife. If you have animals around, you want to protect them, so I love doing the hanging baskets. But this is something, you know, all the grilled veggies, if you have a family of 4, you're going to feed your family of 4 with this set. And did you know 2 of these peppers provides the amount of vitamin C you need for one day? Just 2.
So delicious. Could I take